Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and we are going to make some fun planner clips today. Now, as always, don't forget, supply links are down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Head over to Scrap Perfect's blog because what I'm doing is in combination to a fun challenge they're having over at their blog right now. So I'm going to tell you some more details, but the last thing I'm going to do is I've already die cut out of some fun sheets of paper I got out of my Pink and Main. This is the Shades of Spring. I love the bright colors. And I have done 2 stars out of the teal, the green, and I'm going to do my last one out of the pink real fast. So I had kind of a funny story with my cuddle bug. I was going through and I was organizing and rearranging my craft room. I kind of sort and rearrange. And I have completely lost my seed plate, so I had to order a new one. So I have a brand new, beautiful seed plate that all I've done is cut stars out of. Go figure. And inevitably it will show up, but then I have a backup, which is awesome. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out a few things. The whole point of this particular craft, and don't mind the white paper, it just helps everything focus on the camera a little bit better. The whole point of this challenge craft, whatever you want to call it, is to use up some supplies that we have that are extras or scraps or whatever you want to call it. So I've had this paper pack for forever, so I'm going to pull some. I've even stuffed some sheets of the paper that I haven't fully used in here. I want to say I've had this thing for about a year, but I love the colors, and so I'm using them up. The sequins are left over, which I'm going to go ahead and open up. The sequins are left over from a kit that I do where I make all of my fun cards, Love from Lizzie kit. And I'm also pairing it with some fun new things. I've got these cute little stars that came in this little blister pack looking thing. It's supposed to make shaker cards, but we're going to make shaker clips is what we're going to be doing. So I'm taking a whole bunch of the sequins and I'm kind of fitting in as much as I can. And then Scrap Perfect, which is known for their glue and a few other fun products, they also have these little cute, I'm just using my pliers because they're kind of a pain in the butt to open, little bottles, and these ones are full of chunky glitter. And again, supply links are all down below. Now I'm just going to add some of this fun glitter in here. I don't think I'm going to add the entire bottle. I'm going to do about half the bottle because there's a lot in there. But just kind of filling up those little gaps. At the blog for Scrap Perfect, the deal is that everybody in the design team is making a fun clip of some kind. It is kind of up to your discretion about what you want to create and where you want to go with that. Just to also show you about the clips, completely diverted on my attention. I just got these fun paper clips in from Love Lemon Crafts, and I love them because they're so cool. Now there's some jumbo ones in here. Jumbo ones in here. And then there's this mid-range one that was inside of here, and that's where the purple and the pink came from. And then the yellow ones are what I would call your standard large paper clips, but I'm just in love with these giant ones. So I thought, well, that'd be kind of fun. All right, so going back to the blog, the whole point about this was to create something, some sort of clip to use up your scraps that you have, and every one of us is creating our own version of it going up starting the day before today, so the 19th. I'm on the 20th. So that's when this is live, it's on the 20th. And if you head over to the blog, links are down below to how to get there. Then you can sign up to get a coupon. They're going to email you. So if you sign up for the newsletter, you get a coupon. All I'm doing is I'm taking my paper here and I'm flipping it upside down and centering it as best as I can on this fun, cute little star blister pack that I got to make the shaker cards from Tonic. And I thought they were so cool. And look at that. Look how fun. I just think that this is the coolest thing ever. Now, this star die did not come with the pack. The star die is actually meant to die cut this piece out so you can embed it into a card. When I did my unboxing video for my Tonic supplies, I did put in a video about how I did like a little baby card, just kind of a quickie, wasn't anything fancy, about how to do that. Okay, so back to shenanigans. There's also a chance if you leave comments on any of the blog posts that the Scrap Perfect design team is doing that you can win a chance to get a free product. And all you have to do is say what free product. Now here I'm using the best glue ever, and I always have attached this is a no clog applicator. I really don't need it for this project. I just need the glue part because I am going to take my clip and clip it to here and turn this into a planner clip. And I'm going to sandwich it with the other sheet of paper that we're going to, so then it becomes a forward and a backward, and you can see the pretty clip. Look how pretty that is, right? All right. So I'm just going to put a ton of glue here in the center, and then I'm also going to attach glue in the corners because I want to completely sandwich this in there. The glue is going to take a little bit of time to dry, but once it dries, it'll be firm as a rock. There we go. I have to like unsqueegee it, otherwise it's going to get all kinds of funny. So I'm going to really, and okay, I'm seriously getting off topic here. When you put your clip on here, you need to be careful that you put the double side down. Otherwise, you don't have a clip anymore. So make sure you put it double side down. The purpose for the sandwich is to give this something for the clip to hold on to. So we're embedding the clip between the two pieces of paper. And that allows us to have the free part, the shaker part, in the front completely free. And so just to kind of flip it over, it's not dry, so it's not going to stick. And I want to be able to see it so I don't see that orange popping through. So there it is. The glue's got to take a second to dry, but when it does, it is going to be awesome. Again, this is all about using scraps, and I had this sitting on the corner of my table, and I was like, oh, I'm using all different fun colors of pink. Why can't I come in and add, I don't want to use the big ones. Actually, I want to use the tiny ones. For this one, I'm going to use the tiny ones. I'm going to have to change it up because every one of these is going to have a different, I don't have enough of the tiny ones for all three of my tags. So my colors that I've picked go with whatever colors of sequin packages I have. Love from Lizzie. I need to add more glue on the back of this. It's starting to come undone. My Love from Lizzie kit has got all different fun color patterns going on in it, and the sequins match the colors that are in the kits. And so I just picked out the sequin bags from 3 different months of kits, and I color matched it with the color of the paper clip, color matched it with background color, and then I'm also going to add a pretty little bow. So what can you use these clips for? You could use these clips for scrapbook pages. You could use these clips for on a card, on a tag. You could use these clips in a planner, bullet journal, anything that you would want to. It's just something decorative. It's something fun that you can use as a bookmark. And the color combinations you can do with this little blister pack, there's so many options. You can have a blast with that. And there it is. I'm going to add a little more glue because it's having a hard time right here because the paper clip's in the way. So just right in here and right in here. And it's just going to take a sec because this glue, it's strong. It just takes a sec. It doesn't have a super fast grab. And I'm also going to add a bunch more right here just to give everything something to stick onto. And all the glue will dry clear. So that's what the cool part is. It just needs a second to kind of have everything grab. And I just love that. It's so cute and it shakes and it's just adorable. All right, so that's number 1. The same process for the other ones, except I'm changing up the color pattern. So I'm going to get rid of these particular ones, move all the little pieces off to the side, and same process. Empty out my little sequin packs into here, and then I'm going to show you what they look like when they're all done. So I'm just putting the last little gems, and I decided that each one of my little clips was going to get a different size gem put on it. I also decided that the bow was just too much. I was trying too hard, so I yanked it off, and I pulled it off before the glue dried, and I just used my finger to wipe it off, and it came out just fine. I mean, you can't even tell that there was glue there because it dries clear anyway. Above each of the clips, as I'm flying them across my little workspace here, I've put what color of glitter I stuck in there, which is the same color as the background paper. So here we have a turquoise with the turquoise paper. There's green with the green paper, and then we have the pink with the pink paper. And it matches in with the colors of the sequins, which I have right here. I know it's really kind of hard to see it up close, but I will get up close pictures. You know I always do that. And that's as hard as this gets. I mean, truly the most of the work on this little clip, on this, I don't know, clip decoration, star clip, planner clip, bullet clip, whatever you want to call it, is coming from the use of the little shaker card that I put the sequins in, and that's doing the chunk of the work. And then you just attach it to your paper clip, and I love the look of this oversized paper clip. It's just so much fun. I did also find one other trick as I was trying to make sure that these little pieces didn't flare out and it was holding it nice and tight. And these guys are on there now. I mean, they're not coming off. The glue is holding fantastic. Is I took a binder clip like this, and I just kind of went in the corner, and I took 2 of them right at that corner where the glue was, And while they were drying and I was doing the next one, I just came in and I just put 2 little binder clips right there just to make sure that these pieces didn't fly open and give it securely enough chance for the glue to kind of hold on and do its thing. And then I removed them, and you wouldn't even know I had done that. So it was just, it's my little fake out, my little kind of, oh, there we go. And there it is. So super cute. I love it. And there's all kinds of fun things in there. Some of them I put more, like this one's got even more sequins than this one, and it's got glitter. Some of the glitter is starting to kind of catch around the outside of the star, which I think is fun. It adds this kind of cool effect to it. And they're just fun. I have a feeling my daughter's going to hijack these. But they're cute, I mean, and they're pretty and they're glitzy, and I don't know, they just work. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to head over to Scrapperfect. Link is down below, where you guys can check out the newsletter so you can get your coupon for, I believe it's free shipping, and I think there might be a coupon attached to that. And also leave comments on all the fun paper clip ideas that people are coming up with on the Scrapperfect blog for this next like 3 weeks. And so if you leave comments, it's a chance to win a free product, and mention what free product you want to get. I mean, take a look at the site and make sure you find out. Don't forget to subscribe. Links are down below to all the supplies, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.